Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind worked backwards.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Feeling, remember how we felt alive. I remember you. I remember.
2,000 people on the dance floor.
Am I numb to the pain? Am I numb to the pain? Am I numb to the pain? It's just all in my brain. It's just all in my brain. It's just all in my brain. Don't let me go falling. Don't let me go falling. On the grind like every night. Do it all again in that morning. Work that 12 to 8 so I pay the bills. Getting great but got haters still. Learn to risk it all, learn to take a chance. Now it's time we go big. Told that A&R, I'm good. You can't talk me down on your block. Look what happened all in a couple months. See, mama said I go far. Hit that stage, you know we go hard. Hit that bass, you know we ride out. While the rest of the world got faded, I was fading out of that crowd. Way back in the day, no fans, no love, just hate. Progress every day, just so you might love what I became. They said my flow sucked, I said hold up, give me time. I watched that change, studied mixtape after mixtape till I blew up on that page. All these people quoting me, say they feel just how I do. Think you do it better now, you can't do it how I do. Change this game right from my mic, you can't kill me, man, I'm good. Holy Spirit in my lungs, why you think I spit the truth? Am I numb to the pain? Am I numb to the pain? Am I numb to the pain? It's just all in my brain. It's just all in my brain. It's just all in my brain.